I miss my taco butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition.
That's $10. That's $12. Here's a little haul of a few things that I purchased when I was at the Dollar General. I just picked up a few scrubbing pads so that I can clean my walls. This is what I'm actually going to mop with. I'm actually going to use some hot boiling water. Y'all, I did not know this a couple years ago when I was mopping, but it's definitely a game changer. Use some hot boiling water. I usually add a little bit of bleach and a little bit of fabric softener. So good.
I miss my cocoa butter